Alrighty, so let's go through your list. So obviously this is the front of the eye. So the cornea normally should be transparent, right? All of this, but it's foggy. So behind the cornea, you can't see it very well, is the pupil. So what we're going to do is, I'll remind you of the white. If this is cornea, normally transparent, you'd be able to see the pupil, you'd be able to see the iris, right? Pupil, iris, cornea is clear. So let's think about the other layer, the white. That's the sclera, and it goes all the way around, right? All the way around to the back of the eye, the entire eyeball, just like in a cartoon, right? All the way around to the back. So if we flip it open, you can help be my assistant there. All right, so the jelly, do you remember the name of that? Vitreous humor. So it fills all of the posterior chamber. The lens is this hard thing here. So vitreous is filling that chamber, and you can see a very thin tan membrane that the vitreous is holding in place. Real delicately, and we'll be able to keep the membrane in place. So pull that out. Good. Oh, great, because now the retina is still attached. Vitreous is gone. Retina is this tan membrane right here. Oh, cool. So that's very, very thin. It's going to exit. The retina has the nerve cells picking up light, color. It's going to exit at the optic disc. Whoops, I just tore it. Which is there. You barely see it. There's the spot it's exiting. Let's flip over the eye. And the message goes out the optic nerve. You see it right there? See that cable?
Cool.
That's the optic nerve. So all the light coming from the retina, light activation is that way. All right, what else? So we've got our retina. You know sclera is the white layer. So now pull away the black. Very gently. And pull away the choroid.
Oh, that's the.
See it?
That's the choroid coat.
That's the choroid coat. All right, so if you want, go ahead and remove the retina. Scrape that gently. Scrape the tan away.
Oh, it is like seashells.
Yep, it looks like the inside of a seashell. So the human eye doesn't have the blue.
Okay.
The blue is called tapetum lucidum. It's embedded in the choroid coat. You see how they're attached. So it'd be retina, choroid coat with tapetum lucidum, and the sclera. So that's all behind back here. So the anterior, what we want to do is remove this jelly. If you can use your finger, kind of push it out. Perfect. We're starting to see the back side of where the lens sits. I'm going to show you this. So you see the thing that looks like the mushroom? That ciliary body is holding the lens in place. Whoa! All right, the lens will sit right there. So here's the lens. Let's pop it out.
Wow.
And you're seeing the ciliary body and also the back side of the, try not to touch this. Let's put that right in there. Perfect. Yep. So that's the back of the iris. Iris is the colored part, right? And there's the back of it. Perfect.
Awesome.
All right, we got everything.
Thank